Welcome to NG Space. So today I'm presenting to you my air fryer stroke oven. This is what I will be unboxing. It's a 12-liter digital capacity. You can use it to bake, you can air fry, you can roast, you can also dehydrate. Wow, and this is what I've been looking for a while. Now let's take a look at my new air fryer stroke oven. So this is how it looks like. It's very massive. It's all unboxed now. And this one's a rack. You can just put one rack there, another rack there. So that's an extra one. So this is how it looks like, and this the trays you can just put on there. So that's okay. You can also do this, and that is a tray. If you want to make your cake, you just add it there and you just stuff it in this way. This is very nice. And we also have this. So if I want to make whole chicken, I'll just stuff this, then hang it there like so. So we'll do that first, right? Then to reduce the liquid that will come out from the chicken, you just add that in there and it rolls, it turns around like so. And also have this here. You put your chips in here, you close it, and it goes the same way as the other one, so it goes like so, round and round and round when it's on. So this is the air fryer. I love this. I can't wait to start using it straight away. Thanks for watching. If you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please remember to subscribe, like, leave me a beautiful comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.